Hi, welcome my YouTube channel. Let's see today. Galaxy S23 Ultra smartphone. Let's go to the video.
Exploring the new frontier, an in-depth look into the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. People are always intrigued by what's new in the world of technology, and the smartphone industry is one that never fails to delight. This article will spotlight one of the most awaited launches of the year, the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. The introduction, key features, usability and unique elements within this technological highlight will be discussed in the following sections. Introduction. Meet the beast, Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Smartphone technology has witnessed leaps and bounds, and the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is a testament to that. This latest flagship model by Samsung is designed to cater to all the needs of the tech-savvy generation and goes beyond, warranting attention from even the most casual tech enthusiasts. The advent of the Samsung S series. Samsung's S series has seen a series of improvements over the years, each bringing its unique flair of innovation. And this year, the focus is on the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. This powerhouse brings the very best of the S series to the table. Unveiling the remarkable features. Phenomenal display. The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra boasts a 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X Infinity O display, ensuring vibrant imagery and an immersive viewing experience. Camera excellence. It offers a quad rear camera setup with 108 megapixels primary sensor, providing the finest visuals for mobile photography. Miraculous battery. The model comes with a robust 5000 mAh battery, allowing for extended usage without frequent charging. Solid performance. Armed with an advanced Exynos 2200 or Snapdragon 898 chipset, this device promises seamless multitasking and a lag-free gaming experience. Dive into the megapixels. The camera is arguably one of the most pertinent features of a smartphone, and the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra understands that. The model's quadruple camera setup opens up new vistas in mobile photography, allowing users to capture memorable moments with supreme clarity. User experience. Ease of use redefined. With its trademark One UI software, alongside the Android 13 operating system, the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra delivers an unmatched user-friendly experience. The software is tuned for an intuitive experience, offering ease of navigation and access to an array of features. High-tech security. Prioritizing user privacy. In an era where data safety and privacy are primary concerns, the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra steps up with a robust security setup, including both the innovative in-display fingerprint sensor and facial recognition. Unique elements. What sets the S23 Ultra apart? This model carries some of the most desirable elements uniquely built to enhance user experience. Being dust and water resistant, it also has an S Pen slot, something new for the S series. Matching technology with elegance. Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is not only technologically advanced but also elegantly designed. The device adopts a graceful silhouette and a sleek, organic design that adds a touch of sophistication to the package. Conclusion. The future in your hands. The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is a marvelous blend of advanced technology and elegant design, making it more than just a smartphone. It's a companion that caters to your needs, a device setting new standards in mobile technology. If you've been contemplating upgrading your smartphone or you are simply lured in by the brilliance of new technology, the Galaxy S23 Ultra serves as an excellent consideration. After all, this flagship model by Samsung is a giant leap from its predecessors, coming with a plethora of groundbreaking features and a design almost unrivaled. With the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, you have the future in your hands. Don't wait, dive into the world of Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra and let the future unfold before your